Hey y'all, Chuck here in Renu, Thailand. Hey, I'm on a bike ride this morning. Today is Sunday, fun day. I did my morning bike ride. I tried to do about 35 to 40 this morning. I got 2 flat tires, lucky me, huh? Tomorrow's New Year's, so we'll just end the year out with some bad luck. Anyway, no big deal. I've got a subscriber that's at the house waiting for me. I'm about 45 minutes from the house. So today's gonna be a fun day, guys. Thank you for coming. Yeah, I gotta get this gut off of me. too much food, and I think we got 2 or 3 more days of eating and partying. So anyway, yeah.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Brightest kid, give me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free, like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kid, give me till I'm.
Okay, I made it home safely through the wind and the flat tires, and there's so much traffic right now. It's crazy. I'll take you guys for a walk here in a minute, but I've got a guest here from Seattle, Washington, Larry. Larry's staying in Nakhon Phanom. You flew in from Bangkok. How was the flight?
Oh, it was nice.
How much was your ticket? It's probably expensive this time of year.
I don't remember because I booked it 6 months ago.
Oh, okay. So it's probably cheap then.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you staying in Nakhon Phanom? Do you know?
The North End. The only place I found on Agoda at the time I booked late was the room in.
Oh,
So
okay.
The North End.
Yeah. A lot of places to stay in Nakhon Phanom. So how long are you staying in Thailand?
I go home the 11th of January.
What's your stay total in Thailand?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? Awesome. And you said you're going to retire.
Yeah, April of 2020 is when I'm going to retire. And
that's the countdown.
Yeah.
I hate that.
I love it. Because I can go as soon as May.
Yeah.
But there's a reason why I won't go into that.
So you're coming on a retirement visa?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know where you're going to want to stay at, or?
Probably start out in Bangkok, but Cham or Hua Hin.
Yeah. Chaam's nice. I like the food and the atmosphere. It's a little bushy sometimes, people trying to sell you, but it's a good transition point, I think, Chaam. A lot of people that speak our language, you know, and Thai people can speak some English there too. So anyway, cool. We're just sitting here. I'm being nosy as usual, right? He come all this way. You didn't think I wasn't going to ask him some questions, right? Okay, we're going to chat. Larry, you fell on your bike twice?
Twice.
He rented this moped in Nakhon Phanom. I noticed the mirrors are kind of hanging off of it now. Did they give you insurance with it? Yeah. Anyway, he messed up his shoulder pretty bad. He hit a pothole and went in the ditch, he said, huh? Now he's a little stiff, so he's going to have to eat some Motrin. Maybe some Motrin and whiskey. Maybe you'll be staying in Phanom. Anyway, we're going to have some lunch real quick because I'm hungry. I got to find a McCain. Well, Soy Mafia made us, she made this for us. But now, an awesome stir fry and an awesome looking soup.
Rice, salad, just a little bit.
All right.
You want more?
Okay. Another thing I really love about Thailand, free UFC. Free live UFC. This is the John Jones. I bought some lottery tickets. I usually buy a couple. They have lottery 2 times a week here.
2 times a month.
Oh. 2 times a month. Thank God. The lottery thing here is so friggin' confusing. It's like a theatrical, drawn out, dramatized 2-hour version of a bunch of numbers, but you can win a bunch of different ways. Somebody asked me to explain it to them. Hell no, there's no way. I can't figure it out. Luckily, Paige just has a thing on her phone. She just puts the numbers in and it always says, no, I'm each home. So, I don't know, but it's crazy. In the U.S., we have like an air thing. Done, you suck, go home. That's it. Here, it's like really, really theatrical.
มือถือกับกองไว้
I wanted to take you guys for a walk and show you some other new things they put in, but I'll take you tomorrow. Tomorrow I gotta bring my barbecue pit to my teacher, Crew Mao's house. She's gonna use it for the barbecue tomorrow that we're gonna do at the temple for New Year's Eve. So gonna give my part to the community, to me, Paige, and her brother to volunteer our time there, and then after that we are headed to Paul Poot's house for a late night New Year's celebration. So tomorrow is going to be fun. But anyway, Paige has to help set the table up. And yeah, so we'll go check that out tomorrow. But it's crazy, super busy. Tomorrow's Monday, so it shouldn't be too bad. Anyway, they cleaned up the we'll go tomorrow, we'll ride the moped through there, but they cleaned up the temple really, really nice. But there's no parking in the temple, so everybody's having to park outside, and people like to come to our temple to pray at the end of the year here. It's a famous temple here. Thap Phnom is a famous temple in Thailand. So yeah, they like to do that, so it's busy. Let's see what's cooking. Rice patty. What is this? Cow yam. Cow yam or yam? Yam. Cow yam. Cow yam and
ยำไข่เค็ม
kai kem.
ยำไข่เค็ม
Yam kai kem.
ยังไม่ได้
And
บ
this
อก
is
อะไรเด้อ
polamai.
ผลไม้
Polamai fruit.
นี่ไข่เค็ม
Kai kem. Oh, salty egg.
ไข่เค็ม
เที่ยวปอก
Oi.
โอ้ย
Hom dang.
น้ำแดง
Hom dang. So I made a stew. You'll see it later. It's been cooking all day. I put my potatoes in just an hour ago, so they're not super soft. But it smells awesome. I'm sure they'll have a taste of it. So okay, I gotta peel onions.
รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการทั่วไปสามารถรับชมได้ทุกวัน
นี่เป็นไรมันนะ
Let's go buy some ice at Pete Thai's house. Oh, สะอาดแล้ว
สะอาดแล้วคุณผู้ชม
น้ำแข็ง20 บาทครับ
10 บาท
20 บาทครับ
9 บาทแล้วขึ้นมาดิ
เอาแล้วตัวแล้วไปเรื่องนอกไปรับปริญญาลูกอันนอกของเขาเนี่ย
แล้วมาได้ค่ะ
มาหรอวะนั่นเรียกไปบ้านนอกถ้าบาดจุได้หรอ
เอาอะไรเนี่ยมีสังหมูแดง
That's what my mother-in-law just made.
แล้วว่าบุกเกมไก่เก่ากับบุกเกมโอ้ตัวนี้ไข่หลาย
Having fun? สนุกไหม
สนุกขึ้นด้วย
โอเค
อร่อย
อร่อย There's never a dull moment right here in front of this house.สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ อร่อยมากเมมอสทำอร่อยมาก
เซ็กซี่พอ
คุณแกไปมากวันในวันที่ผมว่า
แรกเขากินกันแต่เช้า
กินบ่อยละ
เกี่ยว
โอ้แก้วนะ
เกี่ยว
แก้วมากนะโอ้ยกินแล้วมันจะหาเอาขาตัวเองเนาะมาเล่นม้อยนะ
จิ้มกับผัก
ใส่กระเพาะก็ได้โอ้จิ้มตัวนั้นก่อนได้เตรียมบอกกันสิเมมอสทำอร่อยอร่อย
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยกว่าแต่ละตู้ในอยู่แล้วบ่ต้องไปสั่งกินไก่มันแพง
บอกให้ซื้อมานี่ ไปทาง
โอเคยอดเลย
โอเคโอเคกูประจามมากเลย
อร่อยโอเคแล้ว
Well, there it is. There's my stew.
สิ่งไม่ดีหมดไปสิ้นปีนี้สิ่งไม่ดีหมดไปเส้นปีใหม่สิ่งดีเข้ามาตลอดปีร่ำรวยเร็วไว
รถขายกับข้าวของญี่ปุ่นเขาไม่มีห้องนู่นนี่เหมือนบ้านเราเลยนะคะปิดสวิตช์ชิดเลย
ง่ายเพื่อนสุกไกล
Okay, now this is going to be some tender beef here. Very good.
เราก็คือมาหลายเลยคือมาหลายบอกว่ามันจะเหลือ
อ
เหนื่อยกันเอาเจ้าก็เหนื่อย
ลืม
เขาไปจุดหน้าบ้าน
มา
คนละคน
ระยะหลั
ละ
ง
ค
มัน
นละ
ต้องจำดีขึ้น
มีแมงวันอยู่คน
แม่นิดหน่อย
จ้า
อาหารฝรั่ง
โอ้จะชิมวันนี้แหละ
สตู
สตูใช่ไหม
สตู
อร่อยแล้ว
ฆ่าซึก
ขาซึม
Paige likes her new remote control selfie stick that she got from for Christmas from her fan club. Yeah, she's pretty rough on stuff like me.
เดี๋ยวอันนี้อันนี้เอาไปไหนอันมาถ่ายรูป
อร่อยนะ
อร่อยมาก
นิ่มไหม
He's cutting that one. He's cutting that steak with a spoon.
มัน
จะไปจือโบโบเลยว่ะมันเห็นลูกเอ้าลืม
That's it, guys. Not too much going on today. Tomorrow's going to be fun. Tomorrow is New Year's here
ไปเมืองลาวไปเห็นเหล่าขาวนะกว่าต้องขาวลูกกินอ่ะ
Tomorrow's going to be very fun. I hope you guys come with us tomorrow. Okay. Don't forget to click the like button, please. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.
หลายคนมีแข่งแล้ว
8 โมง
จะเป็น8 โมงแล้วที่เราเลย